Yes. I'm the accuser of the brethren. I see. The spirit of perversion. Why did you try him with rape?
Well, perversion runs in his family. Porn addicts, a couple of homosexual cousins, molestation. He himself was molested, and because of that, he felt robbed.
Prophets in the room that feel like you always accurate and you always know, you never miss. Whatever God says to you must be true. No, baby, you got to filter that thing through your emotions. You got to filter that thing from what you want to feel. You got to filter that thing from your own problems with people. He says that now, since you have come to this revelation, now I am going to tell you what I must do. Jesus then goes on to tell them that he will have to go back to Jerusalem, and in the hands of those that are religious leaders, he will suffer a lot. He will be crucified. He would die, be buried. And Peter then speaks up, but Peter pulls him to the side. You know. It was interesting to notice that when Peter had the revelation of who Jesus was, he said it publicly. Yeah. Right. But when Peter wants to rebuke Jesus, he pulls Jesus to the side. He pulls him to the side and he says, so Jesus, no, you can't go do that. Because if I try, When I tried to start the business, it didn't work for me. When I tried the marriage, it didn't work for me. When I tried the dating relationships, it didn't work for me. So I'm going to tell you, no, don't you do it. Because some of you, hear me, just because this person is trusted, because this person could be your mama. Some scripture in John chapter number 6, around the 64th verse, we see that Jesus is talking about the cross, and he's talking about the blessings of God. But then around the 64th verse, he begins to talk about that you must eat of my blood, and you must drink of my blood and eat of my body. And then the Bible says that the disciples said that you have asked us the hard thing to understand. You have told us something that is very hard for us to grasp, because you need to understand this principle, that everybody don't need to have the grace to be in your circle.